AWY550. Climb, cut, control from afar. Game over for weeds. Ever felt like your tools are working against you on those nightmare slopes, leaving you sweaty, stuck, and one slip from disaster? Picture wrestling a heavy mower up a muddy bank while dodging ditches. Pure frustration. Drop yes in comments if steep terrain has ever blocked your lawn game. The AWY550 remote control lawnmower flips that script with crawler tracks that grip like glue. Imagine deadlines piling up, stress spiking, and burnout creeping in because slopes eat your time and energy. One landscaper joked he aged a year per hillside before discovering remote control mower magic. What if you could reclaim hours without adding chaos? The AWY550 crawler lawnmower promises control from 200 meters away, turning panic into playground. Comment your worst hill story for a quick tip. Meet the AWY550, the compact remote control lawnmower that's a breakthrough for rugged pros tired of risky manual labor. Its rubber crawler tracks devour 45-degree slopes with zero slip, while the 550mm steel deck slices thick weeds effortlessly. Picture a municipal crew guiding it down a ravine from safety, blades whirring, engine purring via electric start. One busy pro shared how it cleared a solar farm edge in record time, saving harness hassles. Feel the relief of standing shaded, remote in hand, as it self-propels at 6 kilometers per hour. Cover more lawn in less time. High mowing efficiency of 1,500 square meters per hour, powered by a robust 7.5 horsepower engine and a 3.6-liter tank for hours of uninterrupted mowing. Customization lets you pick Yamaha power or blade tweaks. Imagine the intuitive thrill of precise turns around trees. Here's one way AWY550 saved the day for a vineyard owner dodging bark damage. Keep watching for the bonus remote trick that unlocks pro-level paths. Dive into efficiency that sparks joy. The AWY550 crawler lawnmower boosts focus, slashes labor, and amps performance on impossible ground. I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow, raved a ground specialist after testing on rain-slick clay. Influencers demo it chewing waist-high brush like butter, remote responsiveness feeling like telepathy. An analyst noted teams finish slope tasks in 1/3 time, 0 injuries, OSHA's dream. Users gush. One estate owner reclaimed a lost hillside, cutting from shade with a drink in hand. Another landscaper added contracts post-purchase. Which feature saves your day? 45-degree gradability or 200-meter range? Comment below. Sense the low hum, grip of tracks on wet soil, freedom from sweat-soaked struggles. Thousands can't stop talking. A rural user called it mountain goat meets beast. Objections? Learning curve is minutes, not months. UVP of safe, customizable remote control mower shines brighter. Limited spots for custom AWY550 orders. Join thousands who've leveled up safety and speed. Best purchase ever, says a pro ordering more. Don't wait, secure yours today and unlock a secret path-following feature that makes tough jobs effortless. If slopes steal your sanity, this remote 45-degree conquering remote control lawnmower changes your game. Click now, transform terrain woes. Comment AWY550 for exclusive config tips.